Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in New Kingston. We are on Haining Road and we are looking at the construction of a commercial building. Now this building is going to be 6 floors and looks like they've reached 6. The roof looks like it's on, so they've reached the height of the building and it's going to be a commercial building. Now they don't have a We're going to show you a picture of the finished building soon, but the building doesn't have a name. So we'll just refer to it as Haining Road for now. And we'll keep you guys updated on the project. You know, we make videos every 2 weeks. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, we're going to show you the picture soon of the finished building. Now, a lot of construction is going on in New Kingston. This building at 6 floors is actually small compared to the other buildings that are going up. Just across the road, literally on Belmont Road, but you can see it from here, is one Belmont, which is 8 floors, and it is a massive building. And further up the road, if you have, well, literally across the road on the other side, you have 77 Knutsford, where they are going to build a massive building. It's going to be the tallest building in Jamaica. It's going to be 34 floors if they get approved for that many. They're in the approval phase now. And it's going to be on a property where the Wyndham Hotel used to be. So what's happening over there is they're renovating the hotel. It's not going to, they don't have an official name for the hotel yet. Meaning if it's going to be a Wyndham, a Hilton, a Marriott, but the building is being renovated. Okay, so this is what the building is going to look like when it's finished, and it just says commercial units, but it's a very nice building. There it just says commercial units. And Haining Road is straight ahead on the left. That is the DHL building, and on the right they're actually going to be putting up another structure. I'm just assuming apartments, but we'll keep you guys updated. And if we went down the road on the other side, well, you're going to see it soon because we're going to drive around. You're going to see the one Belmont building. Now, this side of New Kingston has a lot of residential units and some commercial units. Right, 77 Knutsford. They are renovating the hotel and building a massive ballroom for events and those kind of things. So that's one project. And then phase 2 of the project will be to build a 34 floor building in the parking lot of where the Wyndham Hotel is now. The name of it is Project 77. We have done videos on this project before and we'll do an update video very soon, but you can check it out. But that's going to be, actually we can see it now. Straight ahead is the ICWI building. And then it's going to come into view on the right as we take this corner. Okay, so that's the Wyndham Hotel and that's the ballroom area they're working on now. So that's one phase. And then when that's finished, where you see on the right now is where they're going to build the 34 floor building in that parking lot on the right. So they're just waiting on approval. If they get approved for 34, they'll build 34 floors. If they get approved for 32, they'll build 32. That building on the right now is a Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. And that actually is the tallest building in Jamaica now at 17 floors. So when they build that building at 34, it's going to be twice the height of the Pegasus. And actually, both buildings, the Pegasus, the Courtland, and the Wyndham property are all owned by the Hendrickson Group. Okay, so that's one Belmont now on the right. I mean, it's only 9 floors, but it's a massive building. Massive. You can stay, that building is more visible in New Kingston than some of the other buildings. But across the road from that is going to be a 27 floor high rise called the Ascent. Okay, so this is the Haining Road building again from a different angle. So a lot of progress is going on in Jamaica. A subscriber had said in 10 years, Jamaica will become a first world country. And they definitely are on track for that. I mean, can you imagine in 5 years how the New Kingston landscape is going to change with all these buildings built? The Ascent at 27 floors, the Rogers at 20. If that hotel is finished by then, 34 floors. The Wyndham renovated, up and running. You have so many buildings. The Cambridge, the Via at the Braemar. I mean, one Belmont will be finished. Definitely going to be a different landscape for New Kingston. And people are renting them. So it's not to say the buildings are going to stay empty. The residential units are practically all sold off. Some of the commercial buildings are leased out. So there is definitely a demand for all of this office space and residential units. And of course, we'll keep you guys updated. Straight ahead, that building with the blue trimming, that is the Cambridge. That's the largest apartment building or complex in Jamaica at 172 units. It's still under construction, but it should finish anytime now. The buildings are up, you can actually see them. Actually, you can't see the building. Okay, it's kind of on the left, but okay, it was behind that building we're looking at. All right, so this is the Haining Road building. We just have to call it the commercial building on Haining Road for now. And this is it from the other side. We don't have a completion date for this building, but we know better than to go off completion dates. When the building is finished, it's finished. Or put it this way, when it's closer to being finished, they can give a more accurate date. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.